Today is Friday, March 7th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille in-dash climate controller unit. This works in conjunction with the power servo and regulates the climate control feature functions of the 1970 Cadillac DeVille. It includes the Series 8258 multi-port manifold, which has been precision lapped and reassembled. The DeVille is distinctly different than the Eldorado, as it has a purge port in the rotary valve and different electricals, so they're not interchangeable. A lot of people think they are, and people wind up beating their heads against the wall, wondering why their air conditioning units are not working when they try to swap out controllers. So the 1970 DeVille unit has been completely disassembled as a level 10 restoration from my friend Mike Gentry at M&M Classics. I've gone ahead and swapped out the potentiometer, and a point of interest is that these units work in contiguous link to the power servo unit mounted in the center of the engine compartment on the firewall. And so as a general rule, I like to work on both units at the same time because there is cross contamination between the units from the vacuum standpoint, and cross burn on electrical shorts whereby one affects the other, because they are intended to work as a unified two inseparable subassemblies that function together as a unified functioning system. Okay, so the front transparent lens cover has been precision polished, and the 5 scratches that were on the face have been removed. The back face has been re-blackened, and one of the diodes was swapped out, and the capacitor. Okay, so this unit will be reassembled and then sent to my friend Mike, and I'll do a functional validation test as video number 2. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, including all the air conditioning components, such as the in-dash climate controllers, all the way from 59 through 78, the power servos all the way through 1970, going back all the way to 64, both the duplex as well as the mono series power servos, from 71 through 78, the air conditioning AC programmers, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Friday, March 7th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.